What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin here, founder at NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new V1 spoiler on this beautiful, sexy Lexus IS. Stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about NIA Body Kits.
At NIA, we design and build high-quality, handcrafted body kits right here in Miami, Florida. Each piece is specifically designed for each model, thermoform for durability, and CNC cut to perfection. Our kits are made to bolt on in minutes, with an exclusive reinforcement that guarantees durability and toughness. Every piece is hand-finished and available in primer, gloss black, color-matched options, hydro-dipped, and real carbon fiber. Before shipping, we paint-correct each kit to ensure a flawless finish. Plus, our customer service team works alongside our engineers and designers to give you the best experience possible. Our kits are also guaranteed to ship out within weeks, not months. If you're looking for a premium, American-made body kit built with precision, NIA has you covered. Check us out at niaautodesign.com.
So let me tell you a little bit about the NIA Spoiler. One is made out of ABS plastic right here in Miami, Florida. We offer it color matched, any color, all factory colors, or you can do a gloss black similar to your factory spoiler. Two, we also have it available with all the hardware. You can have an option of installing it if you have the factory spoiler using the factory holes, using the bolts that we provide to you. Now, if you have a base model and you don't have a spoiler, you can also apply it just with the double-sided tape, and it's guaranteed to stay on.
To install your brand new Lexus IS V1 spoiler, useful tools: a Phillips small head screwdriver, masking tape, ratchet with 10mm socket, plastic clip remover, and a plastic scrape.
So in this case, we're going to install one with the factory spoiler. So we're going to have to remove this one first. If you don't have a factory spoiler, then you can only install it with the double-sided tape, or you can drill holes onto your trunk and install it with the bolts as well. Your choice. All right, so to access the bolt on the top, you have to remove this panel, and these are just held on with some clips. Grab your clip remover and pop them out. Now time to remove this handle. You can use the same clip remover and then just wedge it in between and it pops right out. By removing this flap, you're going to have access to 2 Phillips screws in here. Grab your screwdriver and take them out. So now you're going to locate the 10mm nut, and we're going to start removing them. And now remove the other one from the other side. Now that the 2 nuts are removed, we're going to have to unstick the spoiler out of here that is being held right now with double-sided tape. In this case, this car is wrapped, so we're going to protect the wrap. And you also might want to protect the paint as well. And we're going to use road trip tape, which is a disposable PPF. Put it around the car, and then that way the spatula doesn't scratch up the paint, or in this case, the wrap. Perfect. Now that the vehicle is protected, grab a spatula, and then we're going to creep up underneath and just pry it out little by little. Now that the double-sided tape is pried out, just unclip it, just like so. So now we have to take off all the double-sided tape. I like to use a 3M general purpose adhesive cleaner. You can use alcohol, you can use Glue Gun. Just be careful with Glue Gun because it does, if you rub hard enough, then it will rub off your paint. So this is safe and it's just for adhesive, so try this out. What I like to do is I like to start off with putting a few drops right over the adhesion and let that soak in for a bit. and then little by little start removing it. Once you let it sit for a few seconds, you can start peeling it out. And some cases come out faster than others, so be patient in this process right here. And now we're just going to remove road trip tape since we're going to install the spoiler now. Okay, now we have to remove all these little retainers with your clip remover. Just pop them all out, all across the trunk. All right guys, if you had the spoiler, once you remove it, you're going to notice 6 holes, and you're also going to notice 6 screws. So obviously, we're going to mount it up using the bolts that we provide to you and mounting it on to hold it on. If you don't want to drill holes on your trunk or you don't have a spoiler, then you could just use the double-sided tape. You could use either or both, your choice. Let's start off by removing all the 6 screws. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the adhesive promoter, but you wanna know exactly where we need to put it, so just present the spoiler where it needs to go, and we're gonna mark it with masking tape. Now that we have everything marked, grab your 3M adhesive promoter that's included in your package, and we're gonna start applying it right across the edge where we marked it with the tape. Once applying the spoiler onto the trunk, make sure all the double-sided tape backing is in reach to peel it later on. Okay, so now leaving the double-sided tape in place, we're gonna install the 6 screws, aligning it through the holes that already come with your trunk. So now we're just gonna present all the screws right through the pro-drilled holes, and it should align to the thread on the spoiler. All right guys, once all the screws are in there nice and loose, this is when we start peeling out the tape, and always start from the center out. That way you don't cause an accordion effect and you just even everything out from the middle. So now that the double-sided tape is on, grab your stubby Phillips screwdriver, and then we're going to tighten up all the screws, starting from the middle out. All right guys, once everything is tight, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus IS. If you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you guys.